how to enable Steam Guard two-factor. First, you want to simply go to your Steam over here, and once you're inside your account, what you want to do is you want to simply type it out Steam over here, and inside your Steam account, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on support over here, scroll down and tap on search issues over here, and you want to simply search for Steam Guard over here. Tap on manage Steam Guard over here, and by doing so you'd be able to see prompts over here that you need to follow in order to enable your Steam Guard. You'd be able to download the Steam mobile app, and once you have downloaded the Steam mobile app, you want to simply sign in through your same account, and you'd be able to see your Steam Guard on your profile. You can simply select the option to add Steam Mobile Authenticator as well, and you want to simply follow the verification instructions like adding your phone number if that is requested, and once you complete the setup, you will have successfully enabled Steam Guard two-factor. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.